So, ay later na lang after natin sa introduction kay base ma-upload appeal ang inyong personal information recording. Okay. So, it's recorded now. Okay, our subject is, our course title is Advanced Statistics. Advanced na gid kamo yung level. So I assume that you are already acquainted with your elementary statistics. Makabudlay pag mag-online, no? But still, we will try our best nga to at least for you to learn something. So it is already uploaded in iLearn. So, but I will just focus on the course requirements. So we only need 6 model output or exercises rather. So sa elementary statistics, you have 11. Ay, kadamo sa to sang module outputs. Iawan ko. Check. But now, gin-reduce ko na because of experience. So we only have 6 exercises. And then one final project. Ang final project ni sa elementary statistics is, di ba, nag-mini research ta. So this time, I will only need, ano na lang, isa ka project. Let's say, you can choose kung gusto nyo mini research, but I would require the poster making. So please have an idea na sa how to do the poster making. And I will also guide you how to do that or some suggestions using some applications. So poster making, for example, my research study. So paano nyo na i-present sa poster? So you will be future educators, and even in public school, there's a lot of poster making competition. There's a lot of kanang mga skills nga ay dapat as a teacher, you should be ready for that certain field. So in statistics, I want you to be familiarized with poster making. So for example, isa ka study, then you do or you have some techniques in poster making. So that would be your final project. So as early as now, please be ready with with your benchmark, mangita-ngita na kamo dan idea paano mag-obra sang poster man sa isa ka study. And I will give you some research article, journals, and then you will do the presentation. You will do the poster making, how to present it nga short, succinct siya, understandable lang siya dayon. So please be ready with that poster making. So that would be our final project. And that would be, I'm thinking for kung individual ba or by pair. What do you want? By pair or individual?
By pair lang ma.
Oh, sige, by pair lang ta. At least, ang mga wala sa laptop or whatever nga gadget, you can have a friend. So, pag friend-friend, nakamo ko sa karon, mangita na ka ba, classmate, sino da may laptop, and then i-distribute nyo na. Then, later, mag-partner na tayo sa last week. So, amo na siya ang final project. And then, online meeting attendance. Dili man na siya graded ang online meeting attendance, as I really understand nga other people dili ka join. But there's a benefit lang kung naga-join ka sa online meeting kay I will i-account ko siya as your class participation. 'Di ba sa computation sang participation we have 10%. So i-account ko na siya dira, and also you have a bonus points. For example, nag-join ka sa klase, subong kamo tatlo, may 5 points na kamo sa first exercise. So kung hindi nyo man ma-perfect, so at least, mama, i-remind nyo ko, mama, may 5 points ko kay nag-join ko sa first meeting. So, additional na siya. So, okay lang kung hindi ka mag-attend, wala lang ka bonus. Pero dili man siya graded. Okay? And then, ang quizzes. So, sometimes, mag-quiz ko, mag-require ko quiz sa Google, ng Google Quiz. So, I will post it in iLearn or a link in our GC para mas dasig ninyo. So, ang isa ni ka quiz, daw similar lang man ni siya sa style sang one comprehensive exam. What is that one comprehensive exam? So ina ba lang mga general lang nga course sa aton subject nga at least you have an idea nga kung i-ask ka mo ng may idea man ka mo bala sa advanced statistics. Actually ang focus ng aton nga advanced statistics class is non-parametric. So last sa aton nga elementary stat and probability, aton focus is parametric test. So this time, it's non-parametric. Nga gusto ko gid ka mo ma-aware sini kay naga-research ang mga education students. Sometimes they don't know kung paano, ano ilang statistical tool nga gamiton. So for you to be acquainted. So dili man kamo gid nga ma-expert, but at least kung may statistician kamo sa future, amo na imo gamiton ng person correlation, amo na imo gamiton analysis of variance. So at least you have already an idea. And then, so amo na siya ang focus ng aton subject. Actually, oh no. Okay. So next is the class participation and one comprehensive exam. So as I've mentioned, so same lang mo na siya, uh, ano gani ka ng ABC, mga basic lang, comprehensive exam lang siya. So that would be one. So 'di ba next week inyo midterm exam. So wala na ta exam, isa lang, one comprehensive exam. Sa last na siya sa aton nga klase. And then quizzes time to time, depende sa inyo nga performance. So kung feel ko dragging kamo, I think I need some quizzes. Especially pag nabuo ang inyong nga mga exercises. So I want these quizzes to compensate. So basis for computation, dakoon ko nga points ang module exercise. Please focus on that. You can share to each other, discuss anong pag-compute ninyo ang module exercises. So 35%. And then kung dutay lang atong quizzes, so 10% ko na lang na ang quiz, especially may mga technical problems, internet problems. So kuhaan ko niguro 5% ang quizzes dito ko ibutang sa module exercises, so 40%. So please focus gid sa exercises and please ask help from your classmates, buliganay ka mo nga magtaas inyo score. This is cooperation system, not competition system. So 40% ang ato nga exercises. And then final project, that would be poster making, 20%. Then final exam, this is the comprehensive exam. What I mean is comprehensive exam, that is 20%. Then your attendance and behavior, 10%. So you're already aware of the grading system here in CPAC, so I don't need to discuss it. So here's our course outline. Sa introduction, so I know nakaubra naman kamo sa inyo first topic exercise. After that, may exercise 1. And then may hypothesis testing. Na-upload ko naman ni ata ang lecture video and then the topic exercise. So that would be second exercise. And then test of association. Actually, I would really understand kung mabudlayan pa kamo or kung malate nyo ni i-submit. Ang importante lang sa akon nga sa last sang klase ma-upload nyo ni tanan ng mga requirements. So bisan magka-late-late lang kamo nga, 'di ba may timeline ta, may exercise ay course timeline ta. So 'di ba every week dapat ma-upload na ako na ang exercises, then mapasa nyo pagka next week. So kung ano man ta dira, consider it nga dili na ko na magdidak. Ang importante mapasa by the 5th week. So amo na importante sa akon. So bisan magka-late basta within our class, within the intersem duration. And then one sample test, may ara dayon kita for topic exercise. And then analysis for 2 groups. We have the Mann-Whitney U test, Wilcoxon-Sign rank test, 5th topic exercise. Daw tanawon na siya intimidating, but I know nga kaya nyo lang man na siya gyapon. Pang-intimidate na ang mga ngalan. And then analysis for multiple groups. Kung sa elementary statistics, ano ni siya, analysis of variance, ang iya counterparts sa non-parametric, we have the Kroskal-Wallis H test. So amo na siya ang aton nga course outline. And then we have the weekly covered topics. I have given you the reference. So please be responsible enough to read the reading assignment. So given naman na siya per topic and also the lecture videos because some of my discussion and lecture videos wala na siya sa reference book. So need ninyo nga both inyo tanawon lecture videos kay sometimes dito ko makuha sa aton quizzes or sa comprehensive exam and then sa reading assignment naton sa base sa reference book naton. And then we have here the weekly covered topic. So we have our poster making as our final project. So any question? Again, this is our main reference. Gin-upload ko naman na siya sa iLearn, ang aton nga main reference. So, if you have some clarifications, kanang feel free to ask or to message our GC. Kay kung kisa akong personal, kisa daw kasampawan na siya, especially naka-filter. Pero kung GC, mas maayo para for the benefit of everyone, isa na lang ka-instruction. So kung may mga confusion ka mo sa instructions, sa mga whatever nga, ma'am, I want to clarify this, please feel free to chat, okay? So amo lang na guro ang aton course outline. Do you have any questions, clarifications?
Okay na, mama.
Gada,
Thank you.
sige si ma'am, no? 1 hour lang aton daan nga time. I really value sa time. Kaya I know nga damo pa ka mo obrahon. Kag ang load. So, as much as possible dasigon ta. So,
Once,
may
ma'am,
gihambal si Chris, ma'am. Sige, Chris.
once a week lang tayo mag-meet, ma'am.
Oo, maximum na ang once a week. Sometimes kung hindi man needed, kag wala lang man kamo questions sa output or sa aton nga exercise, di lang ta mag-meet para katipid kamo sa load. Or pero kung needed gid siya, as the need arises, mag-meet ta virtually. Nag-meet lang gid ko sa inyo for orientation para at least wala kabalo kamo sa direction sa aton nga klase.
Thank you rin, ma'am.
Sige. So, pero kung lapit lang man ka bala, Chris, you can visit me sa office. May mga questions ka, so you can visit me. Kaya pwede naman makasulod actually ang mga students.
Sige, mama. Thank you rin, ma'am.
And then, so if there's no other question, ma-proceed ko sa exercise 1 para at least mag-guide na ka muna kon. Can you just see the exercise 1, Introduction to Non-Parametric?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, ano di akong ginobra man? Ano, same lang mo siya sa elementary stat, oh. Ka-introduction pa lang man siya mo. So, i-read ninyo ko, no, ang chapter 1 sang Daniel. Then, in a situation, ang iyang nga friends, si Hananiah, si Mishael, kag si Azariah, si Shadrach, Meshach, kag si Abednego ni siya, were tested for 10 days, di ba? Na-introduce ko man before, as they were given vegetables and water to drink. So amo na ang ginhatag sa ila for 10 days. 'Di ba experiment damo research activities gid sa Bible ya, wala lang naton gina-notice. Then while some other young men are given with portion of king's delicacies. So ang iba naman to yung grupo, meat ilaya kag wine. So after 10 days, that is the duration of an experiment, ang appearance nila ni Daniel yan nagwapo. Nagwapo sila daw, parehas kutis kay Chris Mark at kay Helmar. So nagnami ang ilayang appearance, ang ilang features, tapos mga bright. Knowledge and skills and literature were examined. So answer the following questions. Number 1, what skill characteristics is the type of diet? Diba may 4 level of measurement pa. Daw question ko muna ata sa before, pero sige lang, ikapiyan nyo lang ito yung answer liwat. Then, ibalaon nyo naman, ang type of diet is a categorical variable. So, ano na siya nga klase ng level of measurement? Then, explain mo na siya dayon. Okay. The number 2, what is the dependent variable in this study? Di ba sa isa ka study, dapat may dependent kag independent variable ka. So, I hope na differentiate nyo na siya. Then, need po na siya ninyo sa inyong research class or sa inyong research, mag-ubra ka mo research sa future. And then, ano ang dependent variable sa sindi nga situation sa kay Daniel itong study? Then, i-explain nyo na. And then, is the study or situation above can be considered an experimental design or quasi? Di ba, sa lecture nato, may ara to, ano ang experimental, ano ang quasi experimental design. So, i-support nyo man inyong answer. And then, number 4, in statistical analysis, which do you think is appropriate in this study? Parametric or non-parametric? So, support your answer. Wala mo na sang sala kag mali kung parametric or non-parametric. Ang importante, masuportahan nyo lang. Okay, so, and then, please attach sa picture or screenshot ninyo nga nag-watch ka mo sa lecture videos nga at least as proof balan hakon nga akon mga students galantaw man sang lecture so good as discussion na namon. So please attach to that sa file. And also reminder, whenever you submit a exercise, follow this format. Family name, then exercise number, then title. For example, Vargas dash exercise number 1. dash introduction to non-parametric test. Okay? So pag-upload nyo sa iLearn, please follow those instruction. Kaya ang follow instruction, may bonus points pa gitna. Kay para that's the first step mo, following instruction. So, any questions sa exercise number 1?
Klaro na, ma'am.
Okay, klaro. Hapos lang man, no? Review lang man. Kani ang gabudlay na siya, gabudlay. Mga na lang ko daan, sorry ha. Pero need nyo gini-focusan. So, hypothesis testing. Ay, hapos pa ni siya. Medyo, ano lang ni, medyo chill pa lang ni. Exercise number 2. Hypothesis testing. I-watch nyo kitang lecture video and then attach nga, nag-watch ka mo sang video ha. Ay, para daw good as discussion. As proof nga, you are, you did your best pag-learn. And then, state nilang man ang null and alternative hypothesis in statement form. Diba sa lecture videos na kung na-watch ninyo, may ara to statistical presentation of null and alternative hypothesis. May ara man textual. So sa exercise number 2, just present textually. For example, there is no significant, there is significant relationship, mga ganon-ganon. So very easy. So i-present ang null and alternative hypothesis. And please take note of the variables yung ginagamit. Let's say, example ha, adolescent physical abuse and suicide. Actually, I'm giving you an idea already kung paano, ano inyo study sa future para mag-thesis ka mo bala, mag-research, may ara na ka mo topic. So, preparation yun na ni. Kung pwede ganit ano na lang kamo dayon conduct para sa future i-organize nyo na lang inyo data. So anyway, so let's go back to our exercise. Is there, for example, number 1, tagaan na kamo na example. Is there a significant relationship between adolescent physical abuse and suicide? So, ang imo nga null hypothesis is there is no significant relationship between adolescent physical abuse and suicide. And then your alternative is there is a significant relationship between adolescent physical abuse and suicide. So very easy, diba? Oh,
Amo lang na sa ma'am.
Amo lang to siya. Very easy. But then, subong gani, sorry na ko dayon kay exercise 3. As in very, hindi naman siya challenge. Medyo average na siya nga level. Kani kay ano lang ni, pang ano lang, pang, pang 1 megabyte lang na nga brain cells nyo nga magamit. Pagka next, sa exercise 3, medyo ano na, computation na. You need calculators. Kinatong topic exercise ko man. Topic exercise number 3. Where is it? Advanced statistics. Ay, wala ko pa na-upload ang exercise 3. Anyway, so ang muna na danay for now, exercise 1 and 2. And then, this afternoon, i-upload ko na ang lecture video sa test of association. Actually, pwede ko i-present na lang guro sa inyo ay. Kitaon lang ang screen nga Sperman Raw. Or i-change ko na ya. Okay, so this is, kitaon lang ang screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, amo ni siya ang, ay ano gagahod mo ni siya man. May recording na siya mo. So this is, amo ni siya inog-upload ko nga inyo i-compute na. So, anyway, upload ko na lang tonight. Pero at least you have an introduction. Nga hapos lang inyong exercise 1 and 2, pero sa 3 and 4, medyo, ano na siya, medyo advanced statistics na gidman ang topic. So, that's all for today. Wala akong pagalit na upload. Kaya nagka-technical problems ko last time. So, pag-recording, so na-delayed siya. So, do you have any questions, clarifications?
Okay na, mama.
Okay na, sige So, nakaubra na ka ma-exercise 1 and 2?
O, ayaw pa, ma'am.
1 pa lang, ma'am.
Ano wala. So, sige lang. Kay 1 and 2 pa lang magita. So, i-watch nyo na daan. Kay medyo lawig-lawig to ang lecture video. Amo to nagka-problema ko. Mga 40 minutes to gani. So, i-obrahan nyo na lang daan, the earlier the better para hindi ka mamabudlayan. So I think that's all for our orientation. And please be ready with your ideas in poster making. Another skill that you need to develop in this subject. So, lang katadloan ta ka mga applications. For now, you can have ideas sa Canva or sa mga pwede ka mo kagamit Photoshop or whatever ng mga design nga apps and PowerPoint. So, amo lang na and wala naman kamo questions. So, 3 minutes na lang ato nabilin. Before we end, can you open your camera? Then, maka-picture ta kay basin i-required naman ko sa academic. Nga speaker gallery. Okay. So, can you please open? Stop ko na ang recording, dali.